China's high-speed Maglev transportation system DZUS, a German exhibition. The exhibition was held on 20 September 2022 at InnoTrans, world's largest trade fair focusing on the rail transport industry. Chinese news media CGTN published a video on 21st September 2022 regarding this. With a maximum operating speed of 600 km per hour, it is the world's fastest ground transportation. One of the visitors, Tripon Grehos, says the technology is impressive and it's a tough competitor for airplanes. Unbeatable. The degree of comfort, the speed, the safety, impressive. Since 1996, the Trans has been the world's largest trade fair focusing on the rail transport industry, held every 2 years at the Messi Berlin Exhibition Center. Thanks for watching the video.